Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create a text mask in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do something unique, right? So we are into elements and here we are just going to search for the frame. Sir, why the frame? Wait my dear student, let's wait and watch what we are going to do. Okay, we have added D, right? So now what next? Next we are going to search for iframe, then G frame. So I'm getting some idea what you are writing. Okay, it's nice that you are getting that particular idea. Next again we want iframes. I'm duplicating the same, right? Now we are going to search for T frame. Sir, would it be worth watching till the last? Yeah, my dear friend, you are going to learn something new today, right? So don't worry and don't be in hurry. Sir, where is T frame? I'm not able to find. We can also search for letter frame, right? Here is the T frame. So I want some another T. Yeah, we will look for it if we find, right? Let's go with the A frame. So we need to reduce the size. Yeah, my dear friend, I'm doing the same. Okay, sir, it's fine. Now the L frame. Now, sir, what we are going to do? We are going to shift this D and I a little bit towards this side and you can align it, right? I'm not going to teach you the alignment as of now. Okay, it's done. Now what you are going to do, sir? I'm just going to duplicate this page. Okay, now what next, sir? Mountain, right? There are some good mountains, sir. Yeah, my friend, I know that. You can select any good mountain. So this one is nice. Okay, let's go with this one. Delete these mountains first and let's go with this one. So now what next you are going to do? I'm just going to place this mountain in each. Okay, so now what next? We are going to leave this AL as of blank right now, right? And here we are just going to select this and put it in the background, set image as background, right? Now here we are just going to adjust it first. Sir, it will take time. Yeah, it will take time, but don't move here or there, else you are going to lose this. Let's click on Ctrl Z. We need to duplicate this page once more. And we need to delete this and we need to download this image. Current page only without the transparent background. Click on download and then go to uploads and here we need to add that image which we have downloaded because it must be of 16:9 size, right? And the image which we were uploading was not of 16:9, so I have made it 16:9. Now I am going to place this in each frame again, right? Else effect would not work, right? Make so let's detach the background, right? Option replace background, it's done. Now what we are going to do is we are going to adjust it over here, right, correctly. then this, then that. Okay, so D is done. Yeah, my dear friend, D is done. Now we need to figure out the I as well. Okay, sir, so we need to fit the image in each frame in such a manner that it becomes equivalent to the template size, right? Yes, sir, I'm getting your point very well. Okay, thank you, my dear friend. Thanks for getting my point very well. Okay, now this T. Sir, T for Taiwan? Yeah, T for Taiwan. Sir, T for toy as well? Yeah, toy as well. Okay, it's done. Now, sir, what next? We are going to delete them, and here we are just going to elements and search for white. Sir, why white? Wait, my dear friend, you would come to know. Sir, can we change the color? Yeah, you can change it directly from here by selecting the frame and then clicking on white. Sir, it's easier. Yeah, my friend, it's very much easier. Now, sir, what next? You need to click on share, then download, and we are going to download the current page, right? So I've downloaded it. Now, sir, what next? Wait, my dear friend. Now we are back to the previous one page, and here we are going to upload that file. Sir, you are making something very good. Yeah, my dear friend, I'm making something absolutely good. Okay, sir, what next? Okay, sir, I got your point. So in this manner, you can simply add this effect into your image using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.